Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sarah Luhu, and today I'm partnering with Sephora to talk to you all about how I prevent damage and repair damage and replenish moisture in my hair while constantly bleaching it and changing my hair color. So I have that dilemma. I love fun colors. I like to bleach my hair all the time. If you're wondering, my natural hair color are my eyebrows. I just really like to be blonde and pink and peach and purple and all the fun colors, but because my hair isn't light enough on its own, I have to bleach it. But as much as I like to be blonde and like to have all those fun colors, I also like to have healthy looking hair. So I'm gonna talk to you all about two products from Sephora that I like to use to prevent damage and also restore moisture back into my hair to keep it just living its best life. Let's get this party started with Amika's Soulfood Nourishing Mask. If hair masks were days of the week, this one would be Saturday because it's that good and that fun. It smells amazing. And it puts me in a good mood. All right, so let's get down to business and actually apply this baby. I usually like to keep this in my shower. I use it once a week while I'm in there. I put it on after I rinse out my shampoo and I leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes before rinsing it out. The consistency of this is pretty thick, as you can see. Give it a little thickness test. And it feels like a really luxurious conditioner. It is a deep conditioner after all. I like to use on my hair about that much. Keep in mind I have shorter hair, so if you have longer hair, you'll need a little bit more. And I just rub it in between them, and then I really focus on applying it kind of through the mid shaft to the ends. It feels so smooth. Just even putting it onto your hair, it has this like super slippery, like luscious feeling to it, and it just makes you want to kind of give yourself a scalp massage, which I'm here for. That's all good. I like to make sure I'm constantly, and by constantly I mean weekly, putting this mask on to replenish that moisture back into my hair so that my hair doesn't get too dry and brittle and damaged. I like to use this treatment before I bleach my hair as well, because that way my hair is going to be as hydrated as possible and have as much moisture in it as it can before I essentially am putting it through the wringer. Now that I've got the Soulfood mask finger combed through all of my hair, I'm gonna wait 5 to 7 minutes before rinsing it out. But while we wait, I'm gonna tell you all a little bit more about this mask. The Soulfood mask is cruelty-free and vegan, and it's made with a key ingredient called sea buckthorn berry. That may sound familiar, especially if you're familiar with Amika's products, because they use that ingredient in all of their hair care and styling products. And I mean, I can't really blame them because sea buckthorn berry is basically a superhero amongst ingredients. It is packed with nutrients like vitamins C, E, and A, and it has omega-7 in it, which promotes the production of collagen. So what do all those nutrients mean for you and me? They mean more hydrated hair that won't look as dry and brittle, shinier looking hair, softer feeling hair, and overall just healthier looking hair that'll be more manageable. It's been about 6 minutes since I put the Soulfood mask in, so I'm gonna go rinse it out and give you all a first-hand experience as to what my hair feels like after rinsing. So I've rinsed the Amika Soulfood mask out, and the only way I can think to describe how my hair feels after using this mask is it feels like silk. Like it feels incredibly soft and incredibly smooth. You gotta love that. On to the next product. Now that we've restored our hair and replenished all that hydration, we've got to protect it. Enter in Bumble and Bumble's Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat and UV Protective Primer. This really is like the ultimate leave-in available at Sephora, because not only does it protect from UV and heat damage, which can obviously damage your hair, but it also acts as a detangler, which prevents future breakage, it defrizzes, and it tames flyaways. I spray this through all of my hair, but I really like to focus on the mid shaft through the ends, just because those are a little bit more frizzy and need a little bit more help. I really like that it's such a super fine mist too, because I feel like it helps to disperse it through the entire head. And it's still nice and lightweight, doesn't feel like it weighs you down, and it's specifically formulated for dry to very dry hair, so sign me up. After spraying it in, I just kind of like to finger comb through my hair to make sure it's nice and evenly dispersed everywhere. An added bonus for this product too is that you can use it on damp hair like we're doing now before we style, but you can also use it on dry hair. It acts as like a style refresher on second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day hair, so that you're protecting your hair if you're restyling with hot tools, and also if you just want to spray it into dry hair before you go out into the sun to protect your hair against that UV damage too. I always make sure to use this every time I style my hair, at least 2 weeks leading up to my hair appointment and 2 weeks after, to make sure my hair is at its strongest both before and after bleaching. All right guys, here is a look at my hair after blow drying and after using Amika's Soulfood Nourishing Mask, as well as Bumble and Bumble's Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat and UV Protective Primer. Like, look at it. Look at the shine. It's just so good. Sorry, I got a little carried away, but I got excited. It's shiny. It's incredibly soft. Like, I just want to keep pulling my hands through my hair. Manageable, no frizz, no flyaways. And mind you, I bleached my hair less than 3 days ago, so I'm not mad at this one bit. If you want to shop either of these products or other healthy hair solutions available at Sephora, I've linked them below for you.